Okay, one of the student asked me a question, sir. Okay, so here we have two adapters. Okay, why dynamic adapter? Okay, or why static adapter? Okay, so by default, okay, you see, okay, by default, okay, you connect any adapter actually. So here, okay, so this is the virtual machine we have taken. This is the VM we have taken. So virtual machine. For this virtual machine, what we have done, we enable settings. Okay, network. Okay, so we enable adapter one. Adapter one. Okay. So we set it like a NAT model. Okay, we enable adapter two also. Adapter two also. So that one we have selected as host only adapter. Okay. So both adapters are by default. Okay. They follow DHCP. By default, they follow. This is the default. Okay. What is DHCP here? What is DHCP protocol? So you get the IP address dynamically. What do you mean of dynamic IP address here? What is dynamic? See, normally if you connect to any network actually. Okay. So normally for us network means okay, your Wi-Fi router is the network actually. Okay. So normally you connect to any network, what it will do, your router will allocate one IP address for you. Understand? Your router will allocate one IP address for you. Okay. So if I say dynamic here, okay, if I say dynamic here, okay, so as I told you, so whatever IP, where at the time of your connection, whatever IP is free, it will give that IP address. Understand? Okay. So I'll give an example also here. Okay. So normally Wi-Fi routers, okay, will give the numbers from, okay, 101 to 200. Okay. This is the most common. Okay. If you are using, okay, TP-Link routers, okay, this is the IP address range. Okay. So 101 to 200. Okay. This is how they will give. Okay. So whoever connects first, they'll get the, so suppose, okay, here, okay. So, okay, so it is, let's take, okay, this one, 3, 4. As per this dynamic IP policy, okay, so whoever connects to Wi-Fi router first, okay, they will be given 101. Okay, whoever connects to this Wi-Fi router, okay, they'll get the second IP, third IP, fourth IP, like this actually. Okay, so you connect first, okay, you will get the first IP. You connect second, you will get the second IP. Okay, like this actually. That is DHCP. That is DHCP. But no, okay. Even if I don't connect or don't connect, okay, I want to reserve my IP address. It means I want to make it static. Okay, static means, okay, I'm saying okay, 101 should be given to Venkata only, always Venkata mobile only. So it means okay, even okay, Venkata connect, okay, first or okay, Venkata connect last, okay, every time okay, Venkata will get, okay, this 101 is reserved for Venkata mobile, and okay, when he connect, okay, the router will give 101 to Venkata mobile. When he doesn't connect, okay, so router will keep it, okay, on hold actually. So it will not give this IP address to any other devices here. Understand? Understand, guys? Okay, so dynamic means, okay, so it will be keep changing. Okay, whenever you connect, okay, whenever you connect to your service, okay, it will keep changing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here by default, okay, both adapters follow DHCP rules actually. Both adapters follow DHCP rules. Okay, but what we are doing, okay, let okay, adapter one follow the DHCP only. Okay, see in our practicals, sir. So our practicals. During our practice, what we are doing, okay. So we are keeping, okay, first adapter as okay, DHCP only, but second adapter we are making static. This is what we are doing actually. Okay. So why we are making static here? Because okay, so this is what I told. Okay. So here when I say Hadoop, okay, Hadoop purely runs on configuration files. Okay. So how a data node will recognize, okay, data node will recognize who is my name node. Okay, it's purely based on the configuration file. Okay, so let's say Okay, so you have 4 servers, server 1, server 2, server 3, server 4. Okay, you have allocated, okay, 101 here, 56.101 here, 56.102, 56.103, 56.104. Okay, so in the configuration file, you told that, okay, your name node is 56.101. Today, server 1 has got 56.101. Okay, but okay, tomorrow, okay, let's say if you restart, okay, what happens, okay, if 56.101 is allocated to server 4, okay, or you stopped all the clusters, okay, all the nodes, all the servers here. So tomorrow, okay, you started server 4 first. Okay, if it is a dynamic IP, server 4 will get 101. Okay, if this is 101, then okay, each data node, each other data node, okay, will think that, okay, this is my name node. But is it the name node? No, this is the name node. Okay, so we need to have a fixed name node, fixed data nodes. Understand? Okay, it should not be like automatic. Today you become name node, tomorrow I will become name node. No. Understand the point?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is the reason, okay, we are making a static. When I say static, what is happening here? We are fixing the IP address here. We are making it, okay, hey, this is your IP address, permanent IP address. Understand? Okay, even though you start the machine, or okay, don't start the machine, okay, shut down the machine, okay, your IP address will not be given to any other system. Understand? But okay, in real time, it will be in real time. Okay, so in real time, we'll put both static. Understand? Okay. And now you may ask, sir, okay, why are you not teaching like this is a DHCP? Why are you not teaching like real time? Okay, there is a reason here. Okay, because okay, we need, okay, during our practice, okay, we may require access to internet. Okay, at times. Okay. But in real time, no. Okay, none of your Hadoop servers, okay, will have internet access. Got my point? Okay, none of your servers will have internet access. Okay, so in real time, no problem. In real time, they will put, okay, both the static only.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Got it.
Okay.
Can you explain last point? So for both the adapters, in real time, we'll put
In real
static.
time, they'll
Yes?
put static only. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Because, okay, see here, I'm putting the first one as DHCP, second one as static. There is a reason. Because, okay, I need internet access. That is the reason, okay, I'm putting like this. But, okay, if I make it static, okay, I will not get internet access actually. Understand?
Sir?
Okay, I will show you.
Also, they require internet, yes.
Okay.
For connectivity.
Okay. Sorry.
For in real time, also they require internet, yes.
Why they require internet? No. In real time, no.
But how applications will communicate then with the
There is a different
cluster?
way. Okay, so Hadoop, see, you will not have internet for Hadoop nodes actually. Okay, so application nodes, okay, will have internet access.
Okay, you mean to say Edge node will be having internet, but
Not
Hadoop
even Edge
node.
node, okay, not even Edge node. Okay, so you will have separate nodes for deploying applications.
Okay.
Understand?
Got it.
Web servers, wherever you have web server nodes, okay, so those nodes will have internet access, not all the nodes. Okay, slowly, but okay, see, slowly I will explain, sir. Okay, one by one. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so now for example, okay, let us take this scenario.
Like it in real time, we need not to worry about this IPS. Like just we understood anyhow, but in real time, it will be
In real
taken
time,
care by
you don't need
network.
to worry because okay, so these IP addresses, everything will be managed by this guy. What to say?
Network.
Network people.
Yeah. Thank
Network
you.
admin. Okay, so okay, let's see here. Okay, so here, okay, so NMCLID. Okay, so now it is showing, okay, both are connected. Okay, now I will stop. Okay. Before this one, okay, so here, before stopping anything, okay, I will say, okay, in google.com. Is it pinging? Huh? I'm getting the response from Google. It means, okay, internet is working here. Okay, so now IF down ENP 0 S3. Now you see S3 is down. Yes or no? Now you ping Google. What did he say? What it is saying, guys? Is it working? Google is working.
No.
No.
Still, it is not working. Yes or no? But now, okay, what I will do, I'll bring okay if up. Okay, I will bring. Sorry, guys. Now you ping Google. Now also not working. Okay, system CTL. Restart network. Is it working now? Huh? It is working now. Okay, so it means okay, I'm getting internet okay in this machine because of that okay first adapter, that dynamic adapter, ENP0S3. Okay, so even though ENP0S8 is up and running, internet will not work. That is the reason okay I will put okay one as dynamic and one as static. One as dynamic, one as static. Got it? Are any questions? Okay.
Sir? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, you will make the IP size a static IP. You should right, sir.
Sorry.
I mean, how if the cluster have more than 50, 100 servers, how they will make them as a static IPs? They are doing manually or?
Of course, yes, okay, manually, yes.
So they have to put it as a make them as a static manually every machine.
Yes, sir. Every machine. Okay, if I have okay 1,000 machines, okay, every machine okay you have to change it separately.
Practically, is it possible, sir?
Huh?
In real time, practically, is it possible?
Real time, is it possible?
Yes, sir.
They will do that only. And again, okay, so is it a one-time activity or okay, every day you will do it?
A one-time activity, but
yes, okay, at the time of build, okay, they will do it. Otherwise, okay, connecting in Hadoop cluster with dynamic API is not possible, sir.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, sir, the configuration files you're making, you're configure the name node IP address in the data node, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
In the same way, the data node IP is also configured in the.
Of course, yes. In the name node machine, yeah, everywhere okay, we will in the configuration file. Okay, we will tell okay, who is name node, who are data nodes, everything. Okay, I will mention in the configuration file.
So no need to configure the data node configuration in the data nodes. Suppose if they.
You can have, sir, not a problem.
Okay. So because data nodes won't
I will tell you, okay. So you have multiple configuration files, okay. So I will tell, okay, who are my name nodes. I will tell who are the data nodes. I will tell okay, who are, okay, are my secondary name nodes. Okay. Everything I will tell. I will tell in the configuration file. Otherwise, okay, how you will understand, okay, who should be name node, who should be data nodes, and who should be secondary name node. Got it?
Okay, but data nodes won't communicate each other.
But still, okay, if you want to know, okay, so there is a reason also, sir. Okay, otherwise, okay, how your system will understand which are all the data nodes?
Okay.
How your Hadoop cluster will know that which are the data nodes?
Fine.
Yeah. Okay. So yes, sir. Okay. See, all these doubts okay, will be clarified okay, when I start the Hadoop installation also. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. So fine. So now we'll go to the next step, guys. Okay. So we have completed till this yesterday, and okay, I'll explain okay what is a repository, guys. Okay, repositories. Okay. So how okay is it, how a software can be installed in a Linux machine. Okay. So using yum install is a command okay, to install a software. Okay. So when you run yum install command, okay, what it will do, what your Linux machine will do, Linux machine will scan all the internet links available in the repo files. Okay. So it will contact those internet websites and get check for the software. If the software is available, it will download from there and it will install into your machine. Okay, if software is not available, it will say software is not available, nothing to do. Understand? Understand or any questions? Okay. So now, okay. So now,
Links are connected via Wi-Fi or router.
sorry.
That website links are available in repository files.
Yes, sir.
That internet links will be connected to this mission via internet is required.
Of course, yes. That is the reason I told we need internet for this actually.
Okay. After once completed download, no need to.
Okay, we can set it back to static. Even first one also we can set it as static. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now let us see the host name. Okay. So what is the host name there, guys? Normally, how to check? Okay, what is your computer name here? How to check? You will have this PC and right click on this one, properties. Okay. When you click on properties, okay, so this will tell you what is the device name here. What is my laptop name? Okay. So here it says Lenovo Legion. Correct or not? Okay. So it says Lenovo Legion. Okay. In the same way, okay, in the same way, you can put a host name for your machine also. Okay. So if you want to see the what is the host name, okay, so as of now it is showing like a slave.hadoop only because okay, we changed it, but still okay. So you want to put okay, this is the static host name slave.hadoop.com, but okay, still if you want to change it, okay, you can change it actually. Okay, so set host name as static. This is already there. This is already there. You don't need to do anything actually. Okay. So yeah, static host name, okay, it is saying slave.hadoop.com. When you give this one okay, at the time of installation, that is fine. Otherwise, okay, you can change the host name like this actually. Okay, you can change the host name like this.
From NM to UI also we can change it, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. So the next one. Okay, this is how I'm changing the host name. Okay. So the next one is okay. VI shortcuts. What is this VI command here, guys? VI command. Okay. So normally, if you want to, if it is a Windows, okay, you will have graphical user interface. Okay, if you want to open a file, okay, you will go there and you will double click on the file, okay, and it will open for you. And okay, you can type, okay, you can type whatever you want, and you can save it and close it. Yes or no? Okay, you can save it and close it. But okay, is it the same case in Linux also? Linux doesn't have GUI. Okay, so in such scenarios, okay, how to modify a file, how to play with a file. Okay, so here, okay, so there are some commands here, guys. There are some commands. Okay, the first one is okay. So here, okay, if you want to open any file, you will use vi command, and okay, so vi command, and you will give the full path of the file. Okay, so let's say I want to open. There is a host file. Okay, I will open this file. Okay, so here, okay, when I open this file, already some content is there here. Yes or no? Already some content is here. Okay. Suppose okay, if you want to make any changes here, first okay, what you need to do, you need to press insert. When you press insert button, okay, then see you can it is changed to insert mode. Okay. So when it is in insert mode, then only you can type anything and you can type anything. Okay. You can type anything and okay. So once work is done, okay, again okay, if you want to save it, okay, so escape. Okay, so once okay, you typed okay, whatever you want, okay, you typed here. Okay, I want to save this one. Okay, how to save? Press escape. Okay, press escape. When you press escape, okay, the insert mode is gone. Okay, escape button I have pressed. Okay, it is gone. Okay, now you need to type colon. Okay, so W. Okay, Q. Okay, W means write. Okay, and quit. Write and quit means okay. So save whatever is there. Okay, save and quit. Okay, WQ, and okay, you need to give this exclamation. Okay, if you give this the WQ exclamation, so whatever the changes you have written here, it will be saved and okay, the file will be closed. Okay, but if you give okay with W, if you give only Q, then what will happen? Okay, okay, so whatever the changes you made, okay, that will not be saved. Okay, it will be okay, now you see where are the changes. You typed something, right? Those things are not here. Understand? Understand this? Okay. Okay. So here, okay. So if you want to open any file, first you need to so use VI file name. Okay. VI and give the file name. Okay. To open any file. So this is the command actually. This is the command VA, and okay, you need to pass the file name here, whatever the file name you have. Okay. Here okay, I'm putting this one. Okay, doesn't mean that okay, so you need to use this one, but okay. Okay, I'll not put this one. Okay. So if you want to directly go to last line, Shift G. Okay. So last character of the file, Shift GA. Okay. And close editor without save, escape key. Okay. Plus okay, after escape key, you need to type okay colon Q exclamation. Okay. Close editor, save and quit means okay, escape key. Okay. After that, okay, colon WQ and exclamation. Okay. So these are some commands. Okay. The next option. Okay. So if you are not using DNS server, okay, disable DNS entry. Okay, what is this DNS server, guys? What is this DNS server?
It's for name resolution, sir.
Okay. What do you mean of it?
Like IP address and device address and user host name should be mapped, right? So
Okay, why it is required?
because every time we cannot use IP address, which is device name, right? So
Okay.
we need some host name, so it will map and give us the connect us to the server.
Okay.
Kind of resolve it, right?
Okay. So let us take this scenario, guys. Okay. Now, okay. So let us talk about okay DNS. Okay. Let us take this scenario. Okay. One point okay I want to show here. Okay. So now I'm saying that okay, google.com. Okay. So what did I say? Google.com. Okay. I asked to ping Google, but okay, it is pinging some IP address. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the question is that okay, how okay this system is understanding this is the IP address of Google. Huh? How system is understanding this is the IP address of Google. Okay, so ping okay yahoo.com. Okay. So how your system is understanding okay, this is the IP address of Yahoo. Okay. See, it is not always possible to remember IP address of each and every server or website. Yes or no? Is it possible to remember? Okay. See, you can easily remember. Okay, so he is Venkata. Okay, so he is Ravi. He is Raju. Okay, so like this. Okay, you can easily remember any person by name actually. Okay, but okay, can you remember my phone numbers? Is it possible to remember each and every person phone number?
No, sir.
No, right? Not possible. Okay. So, okay. So in the same way, okay, like this, guys. So let's say I have internet here. So I have server 1, okay, server 2, server 3. So like this, okay. I have 6 servers. Okay. So if I put a name to each server, that I can easily remember this is server 1, server 2, and all. Correct? Okay. So now what I'm doing, okay. So for each server, I'm putting a name like this, guys. Okay. So for server 1, okay, my idea is that okay. So my idea to start okay, node service here. That is the reason I am putting the name as nn.hadoop.com. Okay. So dn1.hadoop.com. Understood. This is dn2.hadoop.com. dn3.hadoop.com. Understand? See guys, okay, how I am changing the names. This is nn. Okay, so this one I will put like snn, secondary name node.hadoop.com. Okay, so dn3. Okay, so edge.hadoop.com. Okay, Now you see here, guys.
So Venkat, host name and this DNS name is same. That's what you mean to say?
No, I'll tell you, sir. I'll tell you. So this is the server. As I told you, when all the servers are connected together, each server will get IP address. Yes or no? So this IP address is that 192.168.56.101. Let's say. Okay. So each server has got, okay, so I have 6 servers here, and each server has got, okay, each server has got okay, IP address here like this. Okay. Now tell me, remembering these servers using IP address is easy, or remembering these servers okay, with host name is easy? Which one is easy?
First name is easy.
First one is easy, nah? This one is easy.
No, sir. Second one. Second
Host
one.
name.
No, sir.
Host
Ah,
name.
host name,
Host
okay.
name.
So I can, okay, so if I say nn.hadoop.com, okay, it is easy for me. Okay, so nn.hadoop.com means, okay, this is name node machine. SNN, okay, second name node machine. DN1, data node machine, data node 2 machine, data node 3 machine, edge node, okay. So it is not always possible to remember a server or a person, okay, with the help of IP address. Understood? With the help of IP address. Okay. So that is the reason of what we are doing. Okay. So we are giving for each server, we are giving, okay, a name also. Understand? Name also. Okay. See, you can correlate this with, okay, human life example is server means okay, one person one. Okay. Person will have, okay, so mobile number and name. Okay. Which one is easy to remember? Remembering name is easy or remembering mobile number is easy?
Name.
Name only easy. Okay, so here also is the same case. Okay, so if I want to remember okay, server details, okay, then IP address, okay, remembering the name is easy. Okay, understand? Okay, but now, okay, let us take this scenario. Okay, like how you have this one in the same way. Okay, even okay, so oh, fine. Okay, now, okay, I want to connect. Okay, so let's say I logged in here. Okay, I'm here. Okay, so Venkata here. Okay. Venkata logged in here. Okay. So I want to ping server 2. I want to, okay, let's say I want to ping server 2. Okay. If I want to ping server 2, what I will do? So I can say ping, okay, sn.hadoop. Okay, this is one way I can use. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, I can use okay ping 192.168.46.102. Okay. So I can use okay. Okay, I see it here. If I know the Google IP address, I can say okay, directly Google IP address. Yes, it is pinging or not. Okay, but okay, remembering okay, see, remembering google.com is easy than okay this IP address. Understand? Than this IP address. Okay, so now I can use this one or I can use this one. But end of the day, you ping with okay, you ping with name, okay, or you ping with the number, IP address. Okay. End of the day, it is pinging to what? Even it is pinging, even you say ping google.com. Okay, finally, what it is doing? It is pinging. It is pinging
IP address.
IP address only. IP address only. Okay. So now the question is that okay. So now, okay, so when I say okay, ping xnn.com. Okay. Now the question is that okay, how this system server one will understand okay, what is the IP address of snn.hadoop.com.
192.168.
Venkata logged in here. Venkata logged in here, and okay, he is pinging snn.hadoop.com. Okay, so it means okay, when if ping should work means okay, it should know the IP address of SNN. Okay, so now the question is that okay, how this ping command knows the IP address of snn.hadoop.com.
Sir, first of all, a server will look into etc.host files. If it is not available, then it will look for resolve.conf file.
Okay, okay. So technically, okay, correct, sir. You are right. Okay, technically, but okay. So, but we don't have so many technical people here. Okay, so I'm explaining for them. Normally, if I want to know what is the IP address of this machine, okay, that information I should kept somewhere here, right? Sir, how do you know that? Okay, Venkata's mobile number. You know Venkata name. You know, so to remember my name. Okay, you don't need to save anything actually. Okay, but okay, to remember my phone number, what you will do? You will save my number in your contact. Yes or no? In your phone book actually. Okay. So tomorrow, if you want to speak to Venkata, what you will do? You will open your mobile. Okay, you will open your phone book and okay, find my contact and okay, call me. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it means okay, to remember okay my number, you are saving it in your phone book. Correct? In the same way, okay, each server okay, will have kind of a phone book. Okay, each server will have a kind of a phone book. Okay. So that phone book file is called as, so there okay, we are calling this phone book. Okay, here okay, we are calling as etc host. Okay, etc host file. Okay, you will have etc host file okay everywhere. Okay. So inside this etc host file, you will have okay the information like okay, so nn.hadoop.com IP address is okay. IP address is 192.168.101. So this okay, like this okay, this phone book okay. So we will put everything actually. SNN dot okay 102 okay, then DN1 103 okay, DN2 104 okay, 105 okay, so 106 okay. Rajesh, sir, normally where you will sit, sir? Because I see some disturbance every day from your side. Okay, so this is kind of a phone book for this server one. Okay, so like this okay, this phone book will be maintained okay in each and every machine. Yes or no? Okay, so if each and every machine is having this phone book, okay. So now if Venkata say okay, so Venkata says that okay snn.hadoop.com, immediately what ping command will do? So ping command will check here. Okay, phone book. Okay, so he is asking me to ping snn.hadoop.com. Okay, snn.hadoop.com. Okay, so for this, okay, 102 is the IP address. Okay, let me ping IP address of 102. Understood? Okay, so here etc host is kind of a phone book. Okay, for phone book for your Linux server. Understand? Understand? Are any questions? Okay. So
How will it work for google.com? It will.
I will tell you, sir. I'll tell you,
Yeah.
sir. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. So now, okay. So this is the phone book of each server actually. Okay, this will contain the server name and okay IP address. So whenever you ping, okay, you want to contact any machine. So if you want to know the IP address of that machine, okay, if you refer this file, okay, you will understand it. Okay. So now guys, okay, tomorrow, okay, so now I have 6 servers, all 6 server details are available here. Okay. So tomorrow, okay, this is the first scenario. This is the first scenario. Okay. Tomorrow, okay, let's say server 7 is added, sir. You'll be adding more and more servers, right? Huh? Server 7 is added. Okay, server 7 IP address is 107. Okay. And okay, so here you added okay data node 4. Let's say. You added one more data node here. Okay. Now, how each machine will remember this one? Now, okay. So this new server details should be updated in each and every server phone book or not? Huh? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, okay. How this new server details will be known to these people? New server phone book, okay. New server, okay. Host name and IP address. How they will understand? Okay. Suppose if I don't update here, okay. If Venkata says that okay, the dn4.hadoop.com, okay. So what is the reply I will get? Okay. Unknown host. Understand? Okay. It means it is clearly telling that I don't know what is the IP address of this machine. Why? Because okay, IP address of this machine is not mentioned in the phone book here. Correct? So that is the reason what you need to do. So you need to add whenever you add a new server. Okay. So you need to add the details here like this actually. Okay. So 107 DN4. Okay. So if you add it in each and every machine, okay. Now tell me. Now if I say DN4, will it work or not? Will it work or not? No.
It will work.
It will work. Okay. Okay. So today, okay, we have only 7 servers. So copying this, okay, this information into this remaining 6 servers, it is fine. What in case, okay, let's say my cluster has grown
Sir,
up to
how it is going to be added manually? Yeah.
manually, sir. That's what okay question. Okay. So tomorrow, okay, if I have 5,000 nodes in the cluster, okay. Now the question is that okay, is it possible to log into each machine and okay, add this entry manually? Huh?
No, no, sir. We'll do it remotely.
Okay, not possible, right?
We're
Not
not
possible. Not possible. Okay, logging into each machine tomorrow. Okay, so I have okay. So let's say this is my situation here. Okay, so let's say I updated this one. Okay, in 7 machines, okay, I can easily update. What in case tomorrow? Okay, if I have okay 5,000 servers, my cluster has grown up to 5,000 servers. Server 5,000. Okay, now is it possible to update this in 5,000 nodes manually? No, it is not possible. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, to avoid this difficulty, see, whenever okay, you are adding a new server, okay, you need to update each and every phone book, every server phone book. Then only every server will understand. Okay, what is the IP address of that new server? Okay, so to avoid this one, okay, what they are doing, okay, what we are doing, okay, so we are taking all these servers. Okay, we are taking all these servers. Okay, see here. Okay, so the solution here is that okay, this is the solution. Okay, now you take one more server, guys. Okay, you take one more server here. Okay. Server. Okay. So the name of the server is here is that okay, server 6,000. Okay, server 6,000. Okay, this is the server I'm taking. Okay. So what I will do, the IP address of this is you will have some. Okay, let's say 178 dot. Okay, so 32 dot. Okay, let's say. Okay, this is the IP address here. Okay, so what I will do, I will put okay, all these things in this one. Okay, so I'll put okay DNS server.hadoop.com. Okay, so I'll put okay, this DNS server.hadoop.com. This is the name I have given, guys. This is the name I have given. So, but okay, what I will do, I will put all these things, all these okay, 5,000 servers. Okay, data node 5,000. 5,000. Okay, so here, okay, let's say 188. Okay, all 5,000 details, server details. Okay, I'll put in this one. Understand, guys? I'll put it here. Okay, so instead of updating okay each server's phone book, what I will do, I will okay remove this okay the phone book concept. Okay, I'll remove this one. Okay, so here there is another etc okay resolve.conf. Okay, so there is another file inside this one. Okay, I'm telling that okay, hey guys, okay, if anybody want to know IP address of any server, okay, any server, you go and check in this IP address. Understand? Okay, here I'm saying that okay, name server equal to okay 32. Okay, only one thing okay I will update here. That's it. Okay, in each and every machine. Okay. Okay. So each and every machine, I'll put this IP address. Now what will happen, guys? So now when I say, okay, snn.hadoop.com. Is it there? Okay, here. Okay, so here, okay, so okay, you take it like this. You have etc host file, right? Okay, host file here. Okay, so you're not nothing. You're not putting anything here. This is empty. I'm making like empty here. Okay. Empty in each machine. Okay, I'm making this phone book as empty. And okay, I'm saying that hey, this is your name server. Okay, going forward, okay, whenever you ping, okay, let's say you say ping snn.hadoop.com. Okay, whatever ping will do, it will see whether this is available in the etc host. Is it available in the etc host? Is it available in the etc host?
No.
No. Okay. So then it will come here. Okay. It will say what is the name server here? What is the name server here? 170.62.30. Okay. So immediately it will go to this machine and ask, hey, sir, hey, DNS server. Okay. Can you see? I want to ping snn.hadoop.com. Can you give me IP address of snn.hadoop.com? Okay. What is IP address of snn.hadoop.com? 102. Okay. So now name server will give the DNS server will give the IP address of snn.hadoop.com. Okay. Now in this scenario, tomorrow, okay, if I have more and more servers are getting added, okay, do I need to update in each machine, or if I update in the main server, okay, DNS main server, this is fine.
One
Updating in
question
main
I get.
server is fine.
So updating it here, okay, like I said, so tomorrow, okay, DN5 is added, okay, 108. Okay, if I update it here, okay, now if I say ping DN8, okay, so DN5, what will happen? Ping DN5, what will happen? Immediately, it will check whether DN5 is available or not. No, then it will check in this IP. It will contact this server. Hey, can you give me IP address of DN5? Okay, so this will give IP address of DNS5. Okay, it is the same case for anything actually. Okay, from this server, I want to ping DNS, DN5. Okay, so I will ping. First, it will check in the local address, local phone book. Okay, if it is not there, then it is a common phone book. Okay, it will check here. Okay, it will check here. Okay, when it is checking, okay, then what will happen? This will give you. Okay, this has DNS dn5.hadoop.com IP address. So this will give okay dns5.hadoop.com. So which one is
So
easy?
Venkat, in the other server name server, we will
Ah.
put these 5,000 or 6,000 entries
Exactly, sir.
in
Exactly,
etc
sir.
hosts, the
Yes,
same
sir.
file. Okay,
Ah.
got it. Yeah.
Okay. Clear. Not etc host file, but okay, you have a DNS server configuration. Okay.
Okay, but somewhere we'll put, not in etc
Somewhere.
host,
Not
but somewhere.
etc
Okay,
host.
okay.
Yes. Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
Understand. So now tell me, updating if there is a new server, updating in 5,000 servers is better, or updating in the common phone book is better?
Common phone book.
Common place is better, right?
Yes.
Then okay, in updating this one, okay. So this common place is called as a DNS server. Understand? Okay, this common place is called as a DNS server. Okay, so any machine, okay, so here, okay, each server, whatever the server, okay, new server is added. So suppose, okay, if a new server is coming, okay, what I will do, server 5,000, okay, I just put this entry in the server 5,000. Yes or no? That's it, okay. So any new system is added, okay, if I update it here, that's fine. Okay, all other systems will understand, okay, about this one. Got it? Got it? Or
Yes,
any
sir.
question? Okay. So somebody asked, okay, so this is an internal DNS case. This is the internal DNS. This is within the company. Yes or no? Huh? But okay, you have something called public DNS. What is this public DNS? This is within your company. Okay. But I want to access, okay. I'm here, but I want to access okay, google.com. Okay. How it will work? Tell me.
Why public DNS only, sir?
Using public DNS. Okay. So in the same way, so this is okay company level. Okay. But whole internet level, they'll maintain something. Okay. So this is okay one company. Okay. So you have a company. Each company will have okay one DNS server, and okay we have multiple servers. Okay. All these servers details will be updated in the DNS server. Understand? Understand, guys? Okay. So this is a okay separate company. But okay. So now I want to access okay company one. Okay, company A. Okay, company one want to access okay a service of company B, company two. Okay. So let's say this is company two is Google. Okay, company is Yahoo. Okay, you want to access Google. Okay, it means if you are accessing across companies. In that case, okay, for across companies, we have a public DNS. So here, okay, they will put okay. So Google.com. If somebody type Google.com, okay, push it to okay. What is the IP address okay, here? Push it to this IP. Okay. So no, from any company, if they ping okay, Google.com, what they will do? First, they will check okay whether this IP is available in the local DNS server. Okay, is it available? No. Okay, then if internet access there, it will take check in the public DNS. From public DNS, okay, it will take this one and then it will ping. Understood? So this is across company. Okay, okay, this is across company. This is across multiple companies. Clear, guys?
Sir, is there any chances DNS server not responding cases?
There are chances, sir. That is the reason they'll keep okay multiple DNS servers. If DNS server is not working, then okay many things will not work. Because okay no system knows okay other systems IP address. Understand?
Okay.
Sir,
Ah.
if you have DNS server, no need to configure the data node.
Sir, it is not like that, sir. Okay. See, DNS server data nodes, okay, no relation, sir. Okay. DNS server.
Anyhow, you are having all details.
No, sir. Okay. Here, okay. So now I'm just putting the names, sir. Here. Okay. I'm just putting the names. Okay. So tomorrow, okay. Tomorrow there may be do in I mean in a company. Do you think only Hadoop nodes will be there? Okay. So tomorrow, okay. Let's say I have some other node. Okay. So LGPBD. 1220 okay, .hadoop.com. Okay. This is also a server, right?
Okay.
Venkat, one question, like I don't know, like you are getting google.com some other IP, but I am getting at my end some 172. How come?
That's what, sir. That's what. Do you think,
which
okay,
IP is this? Yeah.
No, Google will have only one IP. In how many countries Google is there?
Yeah, so many, like every almost
so
all countries.
How
yes.
many people will be accessing Google? If they keep only one server, okay, Google will die. Yes,
but same it means same Google address is accessed by multiple IPs.
Of course, yes.
Then this is a kind of conflict, yes, like same name, but like for
multiple phone numbers.
it is like Venkat name is there for so many IPs. Yes, is it acceptable?
That's what, sir. Okay, you will have two SIM cards, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Google should not have two IP addresses. Huh?
No, nothing like that. Yeah, got it. Yeah, okay. Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Sir, irrespective of DNS server, you have to configure the all.
So sir, that is different. Okay, this DNS server is different. Okay, that is okay. Your Hadoop configuration files are different. Okay, in DNS servers are okay. Whatever server we have in your company, every server details will be available here. When it's a company, you will have only Linux, only Hadoop servers.
No.
There may be many other servers also, right?
Okay.
Okay. So all company server details will be available in the DNS server. Okay. There may be some Windows machines also. Windows machines also will have IP address, right?
Yes.
Maybe this machine okay, will have okay my IP address also. Okay. So Lenovo Legion. Okay, Lenovo Legion. Okay, so 192.160. Okay, okay, 1.107. Okay, it may be the case also, right? Lenovo Legion is a Windows machine, but still I have in a DNS server.
So when we are updating in the DNS server, definitely it should be static IP, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, it should be static IP. Yes, if it is a dynamic IP, then okay, what is the use?
Yes, yes.
Venkat, generally you told yes. Generally we don't need any internet for Hadoop cluster. So
sir.
my question is like now in real time scenario we will add these host name in etc hosts or
Okay.
this conf in company, because company might be having multiple servers but they don't want this Hadoop cluster to communicate internet with the internet. Yes, via
Okay.
web server maybe they want. So in that case, what like in real time what they will do, they will put entries in resolve.conf or etc host.
They'll put in result.conf only, sir.
Okay, got it.
Result.conf only, yes.
So since they want everything to be at one place, they will put in
Yes.
resolve.conf.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So you understood, okay, what is DNS now? Okay, this may be a Linux concept or okay. So okay, this is networking concept again. Okay. See, as part of our course, okay, we are learning many things.
I think
mean,
as a Hadoop editor, we don't require to understand the DNS server concept. Only client level it is okay, right, sir?
exactly, sir. Yes. Okay. Okay. So this is clear. Okay. Now what I'm doing? Okay. So now for our practice, okay. For our practice, okay, which model is better, guys? If I want to see for our practice,
Sir,
okay,
one doubt, sir.
Sir, tell me.
Sir, if the etc host file is empty, then it is not required to check there first, and then it will go to 32.30.
But okay, see, it is empty. We know that, sir. Okay, how this ping command knows that it is empty? After checking this only, it is understanding it is empty, right?
Sir, but it's not required to create that file then if it is empty.
But okay, this file will come okay when you install OS itself.
Oh, okay, sir.
Got it. Okay.
So for us, etc host model is better because we need to set up the DNS and all, so that is not
Exactly. So for us, okay, so for us, this model is better, sir. This model is better. You know why? Okay. Again, okay, if you want to set up a DNS server, you need a separate VM, one more virtual machine. If you have 16 GB, you have chance to launch only maximum 6 VMs. Okay, but where the extra machine can be launched. Okay.
Sir,
So
for us means for our practicals.
For our practice, okay, this model is better.
Okay.
For our practice, this model is better, sir. Okay. So now what I'm doing, okay, so here, if you are using DNS server, if you are not using DNS server, disable DNS entry. Okay. Why I'm saying optional in real time, guys? In real time, okay, you use DNS server. In real time, don't perform these steps. Understand? Wherever you see optional in real time, okay, don't perform these steps. Okay, guys. Okay, the same document you can use in your office also, and you can install say Hadoop cluster. Okay, so optional in real time means okay. So definitely, okay, in real time, okay, we will use DNS server. In office, real time means okay, in office. Okay, but okay, for our practice purpose, we are not using DNS server. So what I'm doing, okay, here, okay, there is something called okay. So here. Okay. What is this grep, guys? Okay, grep means okay. So grep means kind of a finding this word in this file. Okay, in this file, use DNS entry has come only once. Okay, only once. Okay. So what we are doing now? Okay. I'm changing this to I'm replacing it now using send command. I'm replacing. First of all, okay, using grep, I'm checking how many times. Okay, this is available. Okay. Now using set, okay, I'm changing this wherever you see this one, you change it to use DNS no. Okay, so grep. See now it changed or not? Updated in the file or not? Okay, so I changed it like okay, use DNS no. Okay, after that, what I'm doing? Okay, so if you're not using DNS server, add below post entries. to etc. It is to etc host file. Okay. Now, so we are following this model, guys. We don't have DNS server, separate DNS server. That is the reason I am following etc host model. Okay. So I'm opening etc host. Okay. So here I have, okay, I'll press insert. Okay. And I will come to end. So here I will give one enter. I will add, okay, this number. Don't add anything at the starting, guys. Add at the ending. Okay. So as part of this Hadoop installation, okay, I will be using multiple hosts actually. Okay. So these many installations I will show you. Okay, these many installations I will show you. So Control C there, and okay, so here you just say right click. Okay, or shift insert. Okay. Yes, all came. Okay, whatever I want to copy. Okay, I copied everything here. Escape. Escape. Okay. So anyway, okay, we are not using Hadoop PX, right? Okay, it's why we want again 2x host. Okay, let it be. Okay, so these are the ones. Okay, so here escape WQ. Okay, so it means I saved. Okay, now if I say cat etc host, you know, cat etc host. Okay, is it printing the content of this one or not? Huh? Yes, it is updated. Okay, so whatever the servers and host names I use as part of my practicals, I put all the servers and IP addresses in this machine, in this etc host file. So tomorrow, if I want to ping anything, okay, so the ping command will come and check here, and it will take the IP address here. Understood? Understood? Or any questions?
Yes, sir.
This concept is understood. Venkat, just a query. Like if I am hitting Google, means pinging Google, in that case, how will it work locally in our this VM as such?
Okay.
Here also
No,
it
no,
is
no.
going.
If you have internet, okay, what it will do, it will connect to public DNS. First of all,
Okay.
without resolving the IP address, okay, you cannot connect to any website.
No, first it will search in internal etc host google.com. It didn't
It
find.
is not there. Okay, then it will check in the resolve conf. Okay.
Okay.
Name server. Okay, that there also it is not there. Then obviously it will check in the public.
Okay. Got it now. Then it will go internet directly and
Yes.
search for this domain. Okay.
Exactly. Yes. Okay, so the next thing. Okay, so we did this one. Then, okay, prepare prerequisites for Hadoop installation. Okay, so this comes like a advanced setup. Okay, so as of now, okay, we have done the basic setup, initial setup. Okay, so whatever we did is the initial setup. Understand? Okay, so now we are doing the advanced setup. Okay, what do you mean of advanced setup here? Okay, we will see here. Okay, for below mentioned components and make sure their status is as expected by Hadoop. Okay, the first one is SC Linux. Okay, what is this? Okay, so let us check SC Linux. What is this one? Okay, what Hadoop is saying. Hey guys, if you want to install Hadoop, okay, this status should be disabled. Okay, but okay, what is the current status? Let us see. When I say SC status, what it is saying? SC Linux status.
It will be enabled by default.
Huh?
It will be enabled by default, sir.
By default, okay. First of all, what is this SC Linux? Okay, security enabled Linux. Okay, so by default, okay, so this is kind of an internal firewall. Okay, so for any Linux server, okay, so here, okay, so if you enable SC Linux, so at times, okay, Hadoop installation may be blocked by this SC Linux. What Hadoop is telling that, okay, if you want to, okay, if you want to install Hadoop, you disable it. But some company policies will not allow to disable this one. Okay, in such scenarios, what Hadoop is saying that, okay, fine, okay, if your company is not allowing, first, okay, you do one thing, you disable first. Okay, disable first. Okay, and then you install Hadoop. Okay, once Hadoop is installed successfully, then you enable it. Okay, that's what, okay, they say. Okay, so SC Linux by default this is enabled, but we want to change it to disabled actually. Okay, so where I can change this one again? Okay, so every OS will run on configuration files. Okay, so here SC Linux status is showing as enabled means, okay, it is getting this information from some place. Okay, what is that place? Okay, this is the SC Linux configuration file. Okay, if you see SC Linux configuration file, okay. So what is this SC Linux equal to enforcing? Enforcing means it is enabled. Okay. Permissive means, okay, it will give warning. Okay, disabled means no SC lines policy. Okay, so now you change this. Okay, wherever you see enforcing using set command. Okay, don't see if you use set command, what it will do, wherever it sees SC line is equal to enforcing, it will replace it with SC lines disabled. Okay, now you see cat. What is the status it is showing? SC line is equal to disabled. Okay, you change in the configuration file, but if you SC status, it is still showing as enabled. Why?
Reboot is required, sir.
Exactly. Some properties require reboot actually. So in this scenario, if you reboot your server, okay, if your Linux server, okay, so and if after rebooting, if you check SC status, it will show disabled. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, after that, okay. So SC Linux status will be changed only after reboot of your VM. Okay, you can do it later. Please continue with the next step. Okay, next one is IPv6. Okay, so what is this IPv6, guys? Okay, if I say IF config. Okay, when I say IF config, okay, can you see this one, guys? What is the IP address of this machine? So here, okay, so how many adapters I have here for this server? I have this adapter. Okay, adapter 1. Okay, adapter 1. Okay, and I have adapted to which is nothing but LP0. Okay, so as I told you, for each adapter, okay, you will have one IP address. So what is the IP address of? Okay, you have something called adapter 3 also. What is okay? Loopback LO adapter. Okay, we ignored. Okay. So I have NP0S3. So IP address of this one is this one. Okay, and what is the IP address of NP0S8? 200. No. Okay. Okay. But okay, you can see something called day9 6. Okay. What is this, guys? For this also you have something called this.
MAC address, sir.
Huh?
It's MAC, right, sir? MAC address.
Is it MAC address or okay? Is it also IP address?
It's
Normally, okay. Normally, if you see IP address range, okay. So from where it will start? Okay. So 0.0.0.0.0 entry point first IP address. Okay. 1. Okay. Like this. Okay. 2, 3, like this. Okay. Once it reach 254, 255, then what will happen? It will become, understand, sir? 1.1, 1.2. You understand? Like
It
this,
will
okay.
take 256, sir.
Full
It
is
will take
255. Yeah. Okay. Then okay, so it will become 0.1255. Okay. Then it will become 2.0. 2.0. Okay. Like again 2.1. Like this, okay. One fine day, 255 dot. Okay. So this is the maximum IP address. Correct or not? This is the last IP address, okay, you can have. Any questions? Huh? Any questions, guys? Okay. So now this model is called as a IPv4 model. Version 4. Okay.
Or is there any specific condition that it will stop at 255?
So okay, that's the max, right? Okay, that's the max. Okay, see. Every 0.0.0.0. Okay, so every digit okay, will go up to 255. Okay, once it is 255, then next this will become 0 and next digit will increase by 1. So one fine day, what will happen? Okay, this will become okay 255.255. And what will happen? Next one. It will become 1.0.0. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Like this it will go. Okay. So, but this model is called as a IPv4 model. Okay. So this IPv4 model, okay, they introduced this one, okay, long back, but okay, when they introduced this IPv4 model, that time, okay, they were not having so many devices connected to internet. Okay. Suppose, let us take this case. Okay. Let's say I want to connect all my devices to internet. Okay. If you connect, okay, each device to internet, okay, so internet will give one separate IP address. Okay. So if I go entire world, all digital devices, okay, if I want to connect to internet, okay, this range is not sufficient. If internet is start giving a 1 IP address to 1 phone, okay, how many smartphones we have? How many internet devices, okay, we have which connect to internet? Nowadays, smart TVs also, there are many smart TVs, okay, where you can connect to internet. Correct or not? Okay, or nowadays you have cars also, okay, internet inside. You can directly connect your car to internet, and okay, you can see the maps and all. Okay, so it means, okay, so there are a lot of devices, okay, we started connecting to internet. So when all devices connected at the same time, this range is not sufficient. That is the reason of what they did. They used IPv6 model. Okay, in IPv6 model, what they did, okay, so you will have, okay, here, okay, IPv4 will, okay, V4 model will be like, okay, after each letter, it is only numerical. After each segment, okay, we'll have dot here. But in case of IPv6, okay, each IP is separated by colon. Understood? Okay. So one file day you can see that, okay, 10 colon, okay, 0 colon, 2 colon, 15 colon, 1 colon, 2 like this also you can see. So INET 6 is like a alphanumerical IP address. The new model of IP address, okay. So it is alphanumerical IP address. Okay. So by default, when you enable any adapter, you will get IPv4 IP address and IPv6 IP address also. Both IP addresses you will get. Okay. So I say if I want to connect to this machine, okay, I can use this IP address, or okay, I can use this IP address also. Okay. But okay, now what Hadoop is saying that, okay, see, having this IPv6 IP for each adapter may create, okay, extra burden while checking the entries. Okay, so disable this one. I don't want a INET 6 IPv6 model. Okay, so if I want to disable only IPv6 model, okay, what I can do? So first of all, okay, if I want to check whether it is enabled or not, so again, this is also a configuration file. Okay, so here, okay, in the output, okay, the entry inside this one, if it is 0, it means it is enabled. Enabled. Okay. So now what I'm doing, if output 0 means IPv6 is enabled. Okay. 1 means IPv6 is disabled. If you want to disable this one, add below lines here. Okay. So open etc system control.configuration to end. Okay. So you append all these things. Okay. So till this one, okay, not this one, till this one you append. Okay. So till this one. Okay. Here what I want, okay, so these are the 4 lines, okay, these are the 4 lines, okay, which you use for disabling IPv6. Disable IPv6 1. I'm putting 1. Yes, sir.
In real time, IPv6 should be enabled, right?
In real time also for Hadoop nodes, they will disable, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. And okay, apart from this one, okay, so I'm adding some more properties. So there is a property called swappiness. Okay. And there are some memory and socket network related properties I am adding. But okay, I will talk about these properties when I'm talking about performance tuning. Okay. Clear, guys? Yeah. Or any question?
In all virtual machines, currently we have only one virtual machine, right? So if it's virtual machine, do we need to follow same steps again?
Of course, yes. Of course, yes, right. Okay. So now what I will do, I will save it and close it. Okay. So once everything is done, okay, now you just say before this one. Okay. So before this one, first you run ifconfig. Okay. So after changing that also, till IPv6 is showing, so you need to change the, you need to restart the network. Now you restart the network. Now you see. Now are you seeing this INET 6? Earlier you were seeing INET 6, but are you seeing INET 6? No, IPv6 is model is disabled. It means okay. So you have only each machine is having only IPv4 address only. So these are removed actually. Understand? So now no confusion. Okay. So after that, okay, IP tables. What is IP table, guys? What is IP table? Okay. So let us take this scenario, guys. Let us take this scenario. Okay. Normally, if this is a Linux server, take okay. Let's say this is a Linux server. Server inside this one, okay. So name node service is running. Name node service is running on. Okay, let's say this is running on 9000 port number. This is the port number. Okay, this is the name node server. Okay, and okay, this is the port number. Okay, so now normally what will happen? Okay, each Linux server will be okay safeguarded by will be surrounded by a firewall. Okay, what is a firewall? This is a firewall. It will be separated by a firewall. Okay, so now let's say this is a Linux server in this name node is running. This is another Linux server. Okay, where this is also surrounded by another firewall. Okay, so but here a data node is running. It is running on 8000 port number. Let's say. Okay. Now we understood that each data node will send heartbeat to name node. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Each data node will send heartbeat to name node. Okay. Now, see, now this data node is trying to send heartbeat. Okay, so it is crossing this one. Okay, so if it want to send heartbeat to this one, it has to cross. What and all it has to cross?
Firewall.
It has to cross. Okay, its own server. Okay, this is server 2. This is server 1. Okay, so this data node want to contact a name node here. It has to cross its own firewall. It has to cross this firewall. Okay, so but this crossing firewall. Okay, so these are all firewalls, right? Okay, is it easy to cross firewalls? Is it easy to cross firewalls? No, right? If it is easy to cross firewall, then why they put firewall? So here, what will happen? Okay, crossing its own firewall is fine. Okay, but you will be stopped at this stage. Understood? You will be stopped at this stage. Okay, but see, if you cross this one only, then only you can connect to name node service. Yes or no? But how to cross this one? How to cross this one? Okay, so here to cross this one. Okay, so here so here in this server, you will have some rules actually. Okay, so here you will have some rules actually. What is the rule here? Okay, so firewall command add port this one. Okay, so like this. Okay, you need to add. Okay, so here, if I make it like I will put some firewall proper settings here. So inside these settings, I will tell if anybody is connecting to 9000, allow them. Okay, so allow this server Linux server 2 to connect to Linux server 1 on this port number. So I will put firewall rules here. I will put firewall rules. Understand? Understand or any questions? Okay, so if the firewall rule allows, then only I can connect to here. Otherwise, if I don't have rule created to allow me, then it will not allow me to cross this one.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a kind of SC Linux, sir?
SC Linux kind of, sir. Okay, kind of, yes.
Okay, that is also kind of firewall, right, sir? For
that's
Linux.
Also yes, sir, kind of. Okay, so now here, now we are going to take six virtual machines, right? 6 virtual machines. Okay. So is it okay to enable this firewall? See, if I enable this firewall, what I need to do? I need to, in each machine, I need to write the firewall rules. But in real time, okay, these firewall rules and all will be taken care by Linux team and network team. Okay, we don't need to worry about this one. Okay, so this is the real time model. But okay, for our practice purpose, I don't think we require any firewalls actually. Okay, for our practice purpose, okay, no firewall rules. Okay, let us remove the firewall. Okay, let it be like this one directly. Okay, if it is directly like this, okay, then no firewall rules, no firewall, no firewall rules. Okay, so there are multiple ways here. Okay, so one way is that, okay, so if there is a chance to disable the firewall, you disable it. Okay, how to disable the firewall? To disable permanently, okay, this is the command. Current status is active and running state. Current status is active and running. Okay, but okay, I want to stop this one. Stop it. Now if I stop it, okay. Now I'm stopping the firewall. Okay, firewall is stopped. Now you see what is the status of firewall? Inactive. Yes or no? Status of the firewall is inactive. Okay, but okay, what will happen here? If I reboot my machine again, okay, firewall will start automatically. Okay, so if I want to stop permanently, I can use this one, disable firewall D. Okay, when I say disable firewall D, then okay, even if you reboot your machine, until you restart again, okay, it will not be restarted. Got it, guys? It will not be restarted. Any questions till now?
Venkat, we have to remember all these commands.
Sir, it is one-time command, right? One time. Okay, and again, okay, so in real time, all these are Linux commands. Who will do this work actually in real time? Linux people will do this.
Okay.
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 Okay. So,
sir, actually, where do we get these commands apart from your document? Only these are, we have many more commands to learn.
Okay. Sir, I have collected all these things, okay, from my real-time experience, sir. Okay. In internet, like in one place, I don't know where.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So then, okay, the next one is disable screensaver or sleep mode. What is the screensaver mode, guys? So, like, okay, so if you see your, okay, your laptop, if you don't use your laptop, what will happen? After 10 minutes, okay, slowly
Sleep mode.
the screen will become, okay, dark, or you will get blank screen, okay, black screen otherwise, okay. But after some time, your system will go to sleep mode. Correct? Correct or not, guys? Okay. But is it okay?
Yes, sir.
I mean, is it the same case even for Linux servers also? Yes, it is the same case. Okay. But okay, it is the same case for Linux servers also. But okay, is it fine? Okay, if nobody is using Linux server for, okay, 10 minutes, okay, if it's going to sleep mode, is it fine? In real time, okay, we don't know who will use at what time. Okay. So if the servers data nodes are going to sleep mode, okay, who will wake them up? See, you can switch on your laptop, okay, but okay, if I have 5,000 data nodes and 5,000 data nodes are in sleep mode, okay, waking up those 5,000 servers, okay, will take a lot of time for me. Got it? Okay. So that is the reason. That is the reason what I'm doing. Okay, I'm disabling this one actually. Okay, so how to disable?
So in real time also we will disable the screen.
Yes, sir. Real time also will disable, sir. Okay. So open etc profile file. You come to end. You come to end. Okay, and append this line. Okay, this is the line. So here I'm saying that, okay, no blank 0. Okay, power off 0, power down also 0. Okay, understand? So next one is disable transparent huge space compaction. Okay, guys. Okay, what is this PHP and all? I will explain in performance tuning. Okay, we have a separate session for this one. So, but at this moment, I am adding a service here. Okay. So open this file. It is empty file. Insert, add these things here till this one. Okay, add it here. Close it. Save and close. run below. Okay, so now you run these three. Fine. This is disable PHP. There is a service. Okay, what is this PHP? Now I'll explain. Okay, later stages. So after that, what next? Okay, the next step is install Hadoop mandatory RPMs. Okay, so to run Hadoop, okay, we need to install so many things, guys. We need to install so many things. Okay, so many softwares should be installed. Okay, so now I will install one by one. Okay, if you ask me, sir, okay, how do you know these are the softwares? Okay, so it is written in given in Apache. Okay, Apache, I guess Apache website. Okay, they have given. Okay, these are the required softwares. Okay, so these are the required software. Okay, I know from real time because when we were building a cluster. Okay, so we installed all these things. Okay, so like this. Okay, so I can install multiple things, right? So it is downloading automatically. Yes, okay. So if you see here, okay, you see here, I asked to install, okay, NTP. Yes or no? M install NTP. Okay, the NTP software is this one. Okay, but okay, why it is installing some other softwares also? Huh?
Dependencies. Without that, this won't
so
run.
here, okay, you can see this one. Okay, plus two
Some
dependent
dependency.
packages. Okay, it means okay, if I want to run NTP, I need these softwares also. Okay, so when you run M install, it is downloading your software, and if your software requires any of the dependency packages, dependent softwares, it will download those dependent softwares also and install it. Clear or any question? Okay, so in the same way, okay, I will be installing multiple things here. Okay, so here I'm installing 15 packages that requires okay 20 dependent packages also.
Sir, we have to write command so that to install all these things.
Yes, sir. Okay, you have to write. Okay, otherwise, okay. So what you can do, you can just do copy paste, sir. Not a problem. So now I'm installing. Is it Java? Yes. Okay.
Venkat, we can copy multiple commands at a time? No.
I'm doing same thing, right? Okay. See, I copied how many commands? These many commands, and okay, I just okay, it will execute one after other.
Got it.
Today my internet is slow, sir. It is giving me only 2 MB per second max. If internet is good, okay, this will be completed in okay 1 minute.
Sir, but if we want to run multiple commands in one line, then we have to use semicolon, no?
Sir, okay. No, you can do it like this, sir. Not a problem. Is it working or not for me?
Yeah, it's working, but I have checked it somewhere that we have to use
Yes, sir. You should
semicolon.
use. No. If you want to do it in one line, okay, then okay, yes, you should use semicolon.
Sir, one thing that if you forgot to install one software among all these,
then okay.
how
So
could we
later,
find?
okay, while installing Hadoop, okay, it will tell you you forgot to install this one. Without this software, I cannot run Hadoop. So while installing, it will give you warning, sir, or it will give you error saying that okay, this software is not there. That is the reason okay, I cannot proceed. Got it?
Okay. Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Every system will have IP4 as well as IP6 addresses, or
Sorry?
either of two?
No, no.
IP4 and IP6. Every system will have IP4 and IP6. or
IPv6,
either
yes,
of
sir.
one?
No, no, no. Nowadays, okay, every system, okay, will have two IP addresses. I mean, IPv4 model and IPv6 model, yes. Both type of IP addresses. It's up to you what you use.
Okay.
So IPv6 we are not using just to avoid the unnecessary load. Yes.
Lookups.
Okay, got it.
Both of are only one system only. So that if one is
But still,
disabled,
sir, okay, see, one person is having, okay, two mobile numbers, okay. Storing that information is easy, right? If one person is having one number, okay.
Okay.
Having two numbers, three numbers, okay. Remembering, okay, numbers also difficult, right? Storing numbers also difficult. So in mobile, you will say husband 1, husband 2, husband 3. What is this husband 1, husband 2, husband 3? Not 3 husbands, sir. Okay. Husband first SIM card, second SIM card, third SIM card. So confusion, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I guess, okay, our classes are so serious, okay. No fun at all. On fine day, you will feel, okay, this class, sir, only teach always. No fun. Let's have some fun also, guys.
సార్ స్మాల్ డౌట్ సార్ సార్ యాక్చువల్గా ఇది నా ల్యాప్టాప్ సంబంధించి ఇది 8GB ల్యాప్టాప్ సార్. సో నేను ఐటీవీ యాప్ చెక్ చేస్తే ఇంకొక స్లాట్ యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు అని చెప్పారు దీనికి. అది యూస్ఫుల్ కదా సార్ మనకి ప్రాసెస్ అంతటికి?
వై నాట్ సార్, యూ కెన్.
ఓకే, మన వర్చువల్ మెషిన్స్ అన్ని క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి దట్ ఈస్ సఫిషియెంట్.
సార్ 16, ఓకే.
8+8.
8+8 is fine, sir.
భయ్య పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే మీరు 32 కానీ 24 కానీ ఒకేసారి వేయించుకోండి భయ్య, అది బెటర్.
సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది
8 ఇంచ్ ఎంత ఎక్కువ పడితే అంత ఎక్కువ వేయించేసుకోండి ఇప్పుడే. మళ్ళీ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మార్చడం, రెండు తీసేయాలి మళ్ళీ. 8 తీసేయాలి.
అంటే ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ 8GB ఉన్నా సరే 32 సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది.
8 తీసేస్తే 216 వేసుకోండి సార్.
216 వేసుకోండి, బెటర్ కదా.
32 అవుతుంది.
8 వేపిస్తారు, టోటల్ 16 అవుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్,
అది అంత సఫిషియెంట్ కదా. మళ్ళీ మార్చాలంటే రెండు తీసి ఎట్ టైం మళ్ళీ 32 వేయాలి. రెండు కూడా వేస్ట్ అవుతాయి మీకు.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
ఎంత పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే అంత ఎక్కువ పెట్టుకుంటే బెటర్.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Sir, we'll go for individual things, what all we installed just now. We'll go one by one on that, like because later,
okay.
Yes.
No, nothing, sir. Okay, see, these are some supporting RPMs. Okay, the major RPM here is that, okay, Java.
Okay.
I installed Java also. Okay, I installed two versions of Java. Java 1.1, 1.8, and Java 11 also.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Then, okay,
but it will
installing Python. Okay. SSL related ones. Okay, so BG. Okay, so these are the what to say encryptions. Okay.
Okay, got it. Yes.
These also encryption only. Okay. So some LDAP related, Kerberos related, which we will be using in later stages actually.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Now we are installing Python.
Venkat sir, any update for work from office, sir?
Sir, okay. Looks like, okay, from April 2nd, okay, for me, okay, I don't know about other. From April 2nd, I guess they're asking us to come to office for 2 days. April 2nd.
Okay.
Okay. And from that will go for 2 months. They will see a 2 months trial run. Okay. After that, okay. So if things are working fine, okay, then okay. So slowly, maybe from what to say, from 2 months. Okay, it means like okay, from June they ask you to come to office. Okay, full-fledged. But nowadays, you know what happens? Some of not some many of the companies, okay, they close their office premises. Like okay, see, our company has like a total 6 buildings in Bangalore. Okay, they closed two. Okay, they closed 2 buildings.
Sir, where are you working, sir?
Super, sir. Right.
Okay, I'll answer that question offline, sir. Okay, so they closed 2 buildings actually. Okay, so does it mean that okay, the employees are reduced?
No, sir, not like
They are
that.
employees. Okay, so since okay, I mean, we don't have plan to bring people back. Okay, so they thought okay, why to pay rent for 2 extra buildings? Okay,
It's correct.
But now the situation is like okay, if we call everyone back to office, then we require extra 2 buildings.
Correct.
We require extra 2 buildings. Okay, correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so they are thinking. Okay, they are thinking like okay, so let's not call all employees okay to office. Okay, let's call only 50% of the strength. Okay,
Like that they are planning. Correct.
That's what the plan. Yes.
Some companies are planning like 3 days office, 3 days work from home, like that also they plan. I don't know how it is.
2 days office and 3 days work from. I guess this will continue lifelong, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will continue, sir. Okay. Corona has given a beautiful option for all of us.
Correct, sir. For especially software field.
For software people, okay, they are enjoying life.
Correct.
Otherwise, okay. So
otherwise, we don't have chance to go for hometown.
Every day we need to struggle in the traffic and go to office. Huh? At least, okay, morning 1 hour, evening 1 hour, we will waste in traffic. We will waste our time in traffic.
Yes, sir.
You know, in fact, okay, because of this work from home model, the work, okay, it means, okay, if we see the efficiency, earlier if it is 100%, now we are seeing 120% work.
That is 100% correct, sir.
Okay, so when we call people, okay, when everybody was working from office, okay, if we work on 100 tickets, now okay, working from home, we are working on 120 tickets. Okay, because okay, that whatever the time you are wasting in what to say, you are wasting in journey, okay, and travel. First thing, second thing, if you are in office, then okay, every 1 hour, 2 hours, okay, you will go for tea break, lunch break, all these breaks. But at home, okay, you cannot do all these things, right? Can do, but okay, less. Okay, so companies also thinking that okay, why to call people and go for 100% like when they are giving 120%. Okay, so companies also feeling happy because they are getting more work with the same salary.
Yeah, the pressure is for government side, sir. They
yeah, because of yes. Main pressure is from government side. Now okay, Karnataka government and I guess Telangana government also same, right? Okay, so
yeah, correct, sir.
They are strictly warning all the companies to bring back people. You know, otherwise, okay, so there are many other people okay, who are depending on us, sir. Okay, so you take okay, business, okay, so
cab drivers,
and all, okay. If you are not there, okay, where they will have business?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay, so even okay, you go for 1 day, 2 day work, okay, but to bring them back to cities. That's what the plan now.
Yes, sir. Correct.
And you see real estate and sir, okay. If especially Bangalore, okay, if you don't have software people, no real estate.
Exactly, sir. It's very good.
So that's also getting impacted. If no real, see, there are many other dependent departments are impacted, sir, because of this, because of our work from home.
In Bangalore, no software, no traffic also, sir. One
No
thing.
traffic also, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, for this election also they need votes.
They need votes also, right?
So
Correct.
that's why they are.
But because of Corona, many small business people have got impacted very badly.
Yes, sir, correct.
People, okay.
Even
There are few people.
people also didn't get any jobs.
I have one of my close relative actually. So with the high risk, okay, they have started one hotel before Corona. Okay, they started within 3 months.
Oh.
Corona started. Okay, so gone case, closed. Okay, complete hotels and all. No business.
I think now it is normal. I think so, sir. All hotels and everything and open.
Now it is fine, sir.
Now it is fine. I think.
Yeah.
No one care. Omicron and.
Now hotels is open, but who is going? Very limited people. Only,
Very limited people, sir.
Yeah.
I don't know, sir. In Hyderabad, I can see all the malls and restaurants are busy only.
Yes, sir. I guess okay.
I don't know the Bangalore.
KCR sir is giving a lot of.
The government announced there is no third wave in Hyderabad like that they mentioned.
Yeah, but slowly, yeah, in all the places people started coming out, sir. All these days, people are thinking, but just nowadays people are roaming like anything.
Correct. First stage means, Corona came. No, that time only people are following very strictly. Yeah, slowly everyone will aware. Okay, there is no impact.
In the second wave, only the death rate is more, sir. Actually.
Second wave, very, sir.
It will go a little bit critical stage.
If I open Facebook or WhatsApp status, RIP status.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Sir, as we will be doing practicals,
okay.
So we won't be configuring so we won't be configuring so many servers in one name node. Okay, so it's not required to use IPv6.
Yes,
so
sir.
in the enterprise level, so they are using IPv6.
No, even enterprise level also it is the same thing.
Sir, but they will be using so many servers now.
But okay, that range is not coming like more than this, right?
Okay.
But okay, even you use so many servers, are you connected to internet, all servers?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you.
Sir, okay, here in our office, okay, we have 5,000 nodes Hadoop cluster. Okay, out of 5,000 nodes, hardly 30-40 nodes are having internet access.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So no problem, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, Google IP address is same for world or different in?
Different, sir. Okay.
Sir, now where IPv6 is being used?
Not many people are using, sir, to be frank. IPv6. Till today, okay, IPv4 range is sufficient. Sir, okay, we have so many, what to say, digital devices okay, in the world. But okay, do you think everybody will connect to internet at the same time?
No.
One Wi-Fi router can give how many IPs, sir?
253 IP addresses it can use. One router.
Sir, Google is having also one DNS server.
Google, yes, sir. That company will have, okay, every company will have a DNS server, right?
When we are pinging or something, surfing on that net, then you will get connected to DNS server. Then the information is
Public DNS from their, okay, their local DNS.
Okay.
Okay, sir. All the required softwares, okay. So all the required softwares, okay, okay, now I'm updating the kernel also. Okay, so if you see the kernel, so we are using old kernel. This is 957. Okay, kernel 3.10, 957. Okay, but we have the latest one now.
Now next step is we need to reboot VM.
After this, okay, I will reboot the VM.
From VM console, like, or how will we do it, or command line itself we can do it?
From console itself, you can do it, right? Or from command, from put itself, I can reboot the machine.
From putty, how will we do it? Reboot just command is fine, or like just
Reboot is fine, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, thank you.
See, the version, okay, is 957, okay, but the latest one is 1160. After 957, okay, they gave 1160. I mean, okay, that is 43 plus 160, 203 versions, okay, they give.
Kernel means the put this CentOS itself got
CentOS kernel, sir, the main.
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, okay.
Sir, in some parts of the book, it has been written that as Linux is not a kernel, it is an operating system. Sir,
Sorry,
and
sir?
in some parts of the book, it has been written as Linux is not a kernel, it is an operating system. So, what is the difference between kernel and operating system?
Okay, let's not go too in depth, sir. Okay.
Kernel, can I tell, sir?
Yeah, you can, sir. You can.
Yes, kernel is kind of, kernel is heart of the operating system. Linux is operating system, but Linux is based on the kernel, which is basically used to communicate between the all peripherals and user interface, whatever you are getting, like command you are running. So those things is being communicated via kernel itself. So without kernel, Linux cannot survive.
So, kernel is a hardware or software?
It's software only. It's software which is which is part of the operating system. Linux is operating system, and under that operating system there will be kernel, which provides you user interface to communicate and run your commands, and give those commands will be sent via signals through kernel. So kernel is kind of interpreter. Whatever, like sir will type init 6, right? So how it will recognize init 6 will reboot the system. So the kernel will translate that that yes, this command will this signal will go and it will reboot the system. So whatever you will type and whatever the communication is happening between the peripherals, like in storage, through keyboard, whatever. So these things are being managed by the kernel itself.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir, hello. సార్ నా దగ్గర 2 ల్యాప్టాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు మనం టోటల్ 6 వర్చువల్ మిషన్స్ కదండి ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేయాల్సింది. సో అప్పుడు మనము 3 ఒక్క దాంట్లో యూజ్ చేసి ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేసి హడూప్‌ని రన్ చేయొచ్చా సార్?
ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఎందుకంటే మీరు స్టార్టింగ్‌లో చెప్పినప్పుడు స్టాండ్ అలోన్ మోడ్ అని 3 మోడ్స్ చెప్పారు కదండి.
అవునవును. చేయొచ్చు మేడం. Actually you can do it like that. Okay.
Okay.
But again, then the adapters you need to use different adapters. You cannot use host only adapter at that time. You should use bridged adapters.
సో అవి గాని మనం నెట్ చెప్పండి.
So you can do that, but okay. So here, basically, okay, let's say this one IF config. Now, this is the IP address. This IP address will work only in my system, my laptop. Okay, but okay, if I have 2 laptops, okay, can I use this IP address to connect to what to say? Can I use this IP address to connect to connect to this VM from other laptop? No. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So here, okay, you need to use bridged adapter, but okay, there also you should go with the static IP concept. Then it will work. You got my point?
ఇంకొకసారి చెప్పరా సార్?
మీ దగ్గర 2 ల్యాప్టాప్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఓకే, సో హోస్ట్ ఓన్లీ అడాప్టర్ పని చేయదు అప్పుడు. ఓకే, నాకు హోస్ట్ ఓన్లీ అడాప్టర్ అంటే ఒక ల్యాప్టాప్ లో నేను 6 VMs చేసుకున్నప్పుడే హోస్ట్ ఓన్లీ అడాప్టర్ పనిచేస్తుంది. ఓకే, నాకు అట్లా కాదు, నేను ఒక ల్యాప్టాప్ లో 3 VMs ఒక ల్యాప్టాప్ లో 3 VMs చేసుకుంటానంటే సో మీకు హోస్ట్ ఓన్లీ అడాప్టర్ కాదు, దానికి బ్రిడ్జ్ అడాప్టర్ అని వేరే అడాప్టర్ ఉంది, ఆ అడాప్టర్ ద్వారా వెళ్ళాలి మీరు.
ఓకే,
ఓకే,
సో అలా చేయొచ్చు.
చేయొచ్చు, ఎందుకు చేయకూడదు?
ఓకే,
యా,
థాంక్యూ.
Sorry guys, I give answer in Telugu. Okay. Okay guys, then okay, it is done. Okay, we updated the kernel also. So now we are with okay with latest kernel. Then okay, add Java home path in profile file. Okay, so this profile file, okay, etc profile up to end. Okay, here you add the Java path. This is the Java path. Okay, so enable or disable below services. Okay, so after reboot, okay, some of the services will be automatically enabled and automatically disabled. So here, okay, I'm disabling firewall and enabling these services, and disabling this service. Okay, then okay, so command CentOS time servers in etc.ntp.conf. Okay, so what is this etc.ntp.conf is?
Sir, for time management, right, sir?
NTP, okay, ntp.conf. Okay, NTP means, okay, so network time protocol. NTP, okay, so NTP means, okay, network time protocol. Okay, so what is this network time protocol, guys? So now time is 8:56, guys. Okay, let's say I changed my time to okay 7 AM. Okay, and I restarted my machine. Okay, after restart my machine, okay, what will be the system time? Huh? So now time it is showing in my laptop, it is showing as 8:56. Okay, 8:56 AM it is showing. Now can I change this? I modify date time.
No,
I can,
no.
right?
No,
I can,
sir, by using time zone you can.
No. I can modify my date and time. I can set it like, okay, now time, like I can set it like 7 o'clock. Okay,
you can change it.
You can change it, sir. What is the wrong? What wrong in that? Okay, nothing wrong. Okay, so you can change it. Okay, but okay. So now this is the time. Okay, so now change it manually. Okay, manually change it to okay, 7 AM. Okay, reboot your laptop. And what will be the time now? What it will show?
7
o'clock or 8:56? Why?
It is taking some network, I guess.
Why it is okay 8:56 after restart? So even though you set the wrong time, once you restart your laptop, automatically it will reset to correct date time. Okay, now the question is that, okay, how it is understanding, okay, what is the correct date time? How it is understanding what is the correct date time? Huh? Tell me, guys.
No idea.
No idea. Okay. So here, okay. So if you want an example, okay, we can give it right. Okay. Now, what is the time now? 8:58, right? Yes or no? Okay. So what I will do now? Okay. Now, okay, now you see what is the time it is showing now?
7:36.
7:36. Okay. Now I will reboot. Is my system rebooting? VM got rebooting, right? VM is getting rebooted. Okay. Now I'll reconnect to Qt. Login as root. Welcome one. Okay. Now you see it. What is the time it is showing now?
8:37.
Why? We set it to some different one, right?
Yeah.
No. You see now. What is the time it is showing now?
No, 9.
We set this to 7:36. Correct or not?
Yes.
We changed the time to 7:36 and we rebooted my system, the machine. Once it is back, okay, it has reset back to 9 a.m. Okay. How it is happening? So there is called. There is okay. Let it be in Windows or Linux or even in your mobile also. You will have a time configuration file actually. Okay. You'll have a time configuration file. Okay. So here, if you see the time configuration file, this is the time configuration file. Guys. Okay. etc ntp.conf. This is the time configuration file. Okay. Inside this one, now can you see there are some servers? What are these servers? These are internet servers. Okay. These are internet servers. centos.pool.ntp.org. Okay. These are internet servers. Okay. So now if you see in this one, is it pinging or not? Huh? So these are the internet servers, okay, which are provided by CentOS because it is the CentOS OS, right? Okay. So now, okay, what is happening here? What is happening? When you reboot your machine, okay, if your machine is having internet access, it will connect to any one of these servers, this server, okay, any one of these server, and it will take the correct date time from there, and it will apply in your machine. Understand, guys? Okay, so it means, okay, even if I change my date time, okay, within 5 minutes, every 5 minutes, okay, this thing will happen every 5 minutes. Okay, this NTP service, okay, will be running in the background. It will be contacting these for any one of these 4 servers, and whatever the time these servers are having, okay, it will reset the time to that server, to that time. Understand? Okay, so it means if I change the date time now, if I come back after 5 minutes and see, it will reset back to correct date time. Okay, so these are internet servers. These are internet servers. Okay, from these internet servers, it is taking the right time. Like this, okay, for Windows also, some Windows servers will be there. Windows time servers. For mobile also, you will have Android. Okay, so some time servers you will have. Okay, in that way only, it is taking the correct date time and resetting it. Understand? Understand, guys? Okay, so here, okay, we thought that so you will not have internet access in real time. When you don't have internet access, so okay, what is the use of enabling these internet servers? So in real time, okay, you will not have internet access to your servers. That is the reason what I'm doing. Okay, any line starting with server, I'm putting a hash in front. Okay. Hash means here, okay, any line starting with hash means it is a comment. See here, okay, this is the property, okay, but this is a comment. So here, okay, I'm putting, okay, wherever, okay, any line starting with server, I'm putting hash, okay, in print. Okay. Now you see that. Now you see those 4 servers are commented. Okay. Now, okay, if you reset your time and restart, can it reset the time? Because in the configuration file, okay, I commented these 4. Okay,
Yeah,
so time reset will not happen. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So this is the NTP. Okay, so since we are not using, okay, so we are disabling these lines. Now you may ask me a question, sir, okay, in real time, okay, if somebody changed the system time, okay, by mistake, okay, how that will be reset back? Okay, there is another option, okay, which I will explain in the later stages. Clear, guys? Okay, so we'll stop it here. Okay, RK will continue. We'll complete these 2 also. Okay, comment. Okay, RPC bind values. Okay, so simple and okay, delete all the entries from 05. Yes. Okay, so only these are the 3 steps. So that's it. Okay, we'll continue from the 5th step of tomorrow. Tomorrow no class, right? Tomorrow no class. Okay, so from Monday. Okay, from Monday.
Tomorrow there is no class, Venkat?
No class, sir. No class. From Monday we'll connect.
Can we have Sunday evening, Venkat?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. Sunday evening, I'm fine. If you are all
If everyone is okay, we can go ahead on Sunday evening. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This.
Sir, as we are
if you need
working from Monday to Friday, so Saturday, Sunday, we will be having some personal work as we are married people. So